you've decided to move to Greensboro, North Carolina, and you decided this is the place you want to call home, but you don't know the area and you don't know the suburbs and you don't know driving times and you just don't have a whole plan put together. In this video, what I'm gonna do is walk you through 6 must-dos to make your move to Greensboro the smooth as possible. If this is your first time to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe and also tap the bell below because I want to make sure that you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos or content. And be sure, if you have any questions, to call, text, or email me, or you can hit the button below and set up a Zoom meeting where we can meet face to face. My name is Carrie Carrico and I'm a real estate agent in the Triad, and I've been helping people for years buy and sell homes throughout Winston-Salem, Greensboro, and throughout North Carolina. And we love to be able to help you. And people reach out to us every day. They call, text, or DM me. You can set up a Zoom meeting and I'd love to chat with you. First of all, just a quick heads up. This is not one of those fluffy videos where we're just saying Greensboro is great, move here, just move anywhere. It's fabulous. What this video is it's a step-by-step plan through the top 6 things that you need to do to prepare to move to Greensboro. And yes, there are 6 exact steps to making your move to Greensboro as smooth as possible. Otherwise, you're just gonna waste tons of time scrambling, looking for places that you're maybe are not the best fit, or looking at homes that look great on paper or look good in Zillow, but they're not actually the best fit for you. I have tons of examples and tons of stories around that exact thing. The first step that you're gonna do is you're gonna give us a call. Give us a call so we can chat about what your next move is. Is Greensboro the right place? Is there another city that maybe would be a better fit for you? Why you're moving here? What you're looking for? What your lifestyle is where you live? Because that really is gonna depend on where in Greensboro or around Greensboro is the best fit for you. So I have a great story about that. I have this one family that was moving from New Jersey down to the area, and they kept sending me homes in Brown Summit. Now, I've chatted about Brown Summit before in other videos. I think I talked about it in the top 10 suburbs of Greensboro. And I will tell you, Brown Summit's a great area and the homes are really well priced and they seem like they are a lot of bang for your buck out in Brown Summit, and you get a little bit of land and the prices are pretty reasonable. And the reason being is it's very rural. And if you had somebody from New Jersey that's used to going to the mall in 5 minutes and everything's super close, it might be a culture shock to be out 20 or 30 minutes from the nearest mall or movie theater, etc. And it was kind of funny because they kept bringing up all these houses in Brown Summit, and I'm like, these are great. But you did mention to me when we chatted on the phone that you didn't want to be super far from hospitals, stores, restaurants, etc. Brown Summit is not crazy far from Greensboro, but it's still not 5 or 10 minutes from the nearest Target or movie theater or hospital. So you definitely want to know the area, and we need to put together a game plan for you and help guide you through the process. You know, being that we need to set up a home feed for you, we need to find you a local lender. So maybe a local lender might work best for the home or the area that you're looking at. Maybe it's a very unique or individual area. Maybe you're looking for a double wide, and maybe a local lender might work better for that. Or you're looking in some specific neighborhood or different new construction that you might actually benefit from incentives for. So it's really, really important that you call us and we listen to what your plans are and your lifestyle is, where you live currently, so we can help you make this as smooth of a move as possible. The second thing on the list for us to do is set up a property search for you. Again, when we're talking with you on the phone, we're gonna put together a perfect search for you. We're gonna listen to you, what you're looking for, your price point that you're looking for, maybe specific areas, but just figuring out your lifestyle of where you live right now, and then kind of customize that property search so that you find homes that might actually meet your current lifestyle and your future lifestyle, so you don't waste a ton of time. Again, that other story I had with the family from New Jersey, they literally wasted weeks looking at these homes that would never work for their lifestyle because they needed to be within 10 minutes from a hospital. And being in Brown Summit, you really don't have that. Another reason we want to be able to chat with you and really customize a property search for you, because certain neighborhoods or certain areas might be a better fit for you. I have another client, I'm actually currently helping them find a home, and they're very, very young and they're from Arizona. And what she's looking for is to be somewhat close to downtown where it's a little bit more vibrant and the lifestyle makes a little bit more sense because she is out and about and she plays pickleball, etc. But when she started looking, she was looking at all these rural areas and different areas that probably were not the best fit for her. And we had to kind of narrow down a better location that would work for her lifestyle, and being that she is really young and really active. So going over exactly what you're looking for, like she has 2 dogs, so we know that an empty, street with no sidewalks is not going to work for her because she walks her dogs every day. We also know that she needs a yard, but she doesn't want to be too far away from all the different pickleball courts or downtown because she likes to go out a lot because of her lifestyle. So definitely give us a call. We want to chat with you, and customizing that property search is super important. The third thing on the list is getting pre-approved. We want to make sure that we know what you can afford and what kind of loan that you're going to be needing, because that's going to help us guide you through, again, setting up the property search for you and also directing you to neighborhoods, areas, etc. And again, if you're looking for a new construction home, it's also going to help us in that direction, because if you're looking for new construction, we're going to guide you to a lender that maybe works with some of the new construction neighborhoods where you can benefit from the incentives that they give you, or just in general to make things a little bit easier looking for your next home. We also, working with local lenders like we have, sometimes it's a little bit more beneficial. Back when the market was really hot, working with a local lender was a lot easier for us to get your offers accepted. So us helping you find a local lender is definitely going to make the whole move to Greensboro smoother, faster, and just with as little stress as possible. The fourth item on our list that you have to do before moving to Greensboro is call us and set up a time where we can meet to schedule dates so you can look at homes. Because we're not knowing when you're going to come in the area, but maybe there's a better time for you to visit, or for sure for us to get you on our calendar so that we are open and ready to show you homes and available. What I also have is I have a driving route throughout Greensboro, Winston-Salem, and throughout the Triad that really will help you look at the different areas and look at the lifestyle in all the different areas, because they're very different. Again, when we talked about the different suburbs on our suburb video, the top suburbs, we knew that Oak Ridge is super like a village type. It's very small. And then you've got Brown Summit that's really rural and it's out there quite a bit. And it's on the east side of Greensboro. And then you've got Jamestown, which is really close to High Point and Wendover. So be sure to call us so we can schedule a time to meet up and maybe schedule some homes for you to view. The fifth item on the list that is a must do is get a transfer letter, because we're going to want to make sure that you can purchase a home in Greensboro ASAP, and maybe making the move smoother and moving only one time. Getting a transfer letter and not quitting your current job is probably the best idea. And it's really will make your move to Greensboro smoother. It'll help with the lenders, it'll help you get pre-approved faster, and it'll also help if you need to do a short-term rental or rent at first. That transfer letter will help get you in the door to your next house or rental or whatever you're looking for. The sixth item on the list is actually the most important, and oh my gosh, it will blow up a deal quicker than anything else on this list. I mean, all these other items on the list, you can probably get away with not doing some of them, but number 6 is key. Do not buy anything. Do not go buy a new car. Do not buy furniture. Do not buy a refrigerator. Do not buy anything, because you're purchasing a new home. Everything on your credit is going to matter. I have seen so many deals fall apart by watching people go out and buy a car 2 days before they close on the house, or buying a new refrigerator, or quitting your job. I mean, there's crazy things that can happen by purchasing big ticket items. You've got to just keep it at bay until you close on your new house. I always tell everybody, just give it a few days after you close on the house to go out and go furniture shopping or buy that new refrigerator or buy the new car. But just during this process, from when you're thinking about moving or buying a new home to 3 days after closing, just make sure that you plan on not purchasing any large ticket items. They will blow up the deal quicker than you can think. So that was all the 6 must-dos before moving to Greensboro. If you do all these 6 items, I promise you that your move will be smoother and you'll feel more confident and you'll be more excited about the move rather than more stressed. So if you're planning on moving, whether it's today, tomorrow, or the next year, I'd love to be able to chat with you. We help people put together a plan to move to Greensboro every day, and we help people just like you, so you can call, text, or DM me, or hit the button below and set up a Zoom meeting with us so we can chat face to face about your next move to Greensboro.